Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a pen that I'm like halfway excited about and halfway fully expecting it to disappoint me. This is the Lamy Screen Multi-System Pen. And if you're interested in this kind of thing, I'll include a link in the description where you can find it. It runs about 20 bucks. That's what it ran when I picked it up from Amazon. And it's supposed to be like kind of sort of a multi-pen, but I have my doubts. I think the multi-system part is going to be, it has a little nubby thing on the back to handle, like computer monitor, not computer monitors, tablets. Alright, so let's see. Lamy warranty thing. Here's the pen. Alright, so how do we work it? You twist it one way and you get that. Ha! Okay. I officially hate this pen way less than I thought I was going to. This is a screen ball, it's a screen ball pen red, which I'm assuming is ballpoint. Alright. So you twist it one way and you get the Lamy Screen C-R-E-E-N pen. Alright. So you twist it one way, you get that, right? That's pretty cool. Here's the neat part that I wasn't expecting. You twist it the other way, and one of those little stupid nubby bump things for tablets pops out the back of it. And I have always hated those things. I feel like they ruin perfectly good pens. However, with this, wow, that's kind of cool. I was legitimately expecting to dislike this pen. And because of the little stylus bump thing on the back. But with it being retractable, that's just kind of awesome. I feel like I can retract the thing that bugs me and not have to deal with it. Alright, so let's look at this thing, see what kind of refills it takes. Alright. It takes, okay, this refill looks familiar. This is the same size refill that comes on the Pico. I'm not sure. I don't remember the specific size for this one, but anyway, it's interesting to see Lamy repeating the same refill. I mean, at least I'm glad it's not like a one-shot thing that only uses this. Only this pen uses it. But okay, this is a cooler pen than I was expecting it to be. Assuming I can get things back where they should go. Okay, there we go. Got to line that spring up on the inside. Alright. So, this is kind of a cool little pen. I'm actually surprised. I was expecting to legitimately hate this pen because of the little nub. But you extend the pen, extend the nub. That is so cool. Alright. Lamy's awesome. Lamy is sometimes very cool. Alright. That's not bad at all. I like it. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do y'all have my hatred for the little nubby things that ruin perfectly good pens, except this one? Do you also dislike the fact that people put bottle caps on, bottle openers on everything? That's a different rant. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if there are any cool pens like this that I should check out, I am 100% interested. Just let me know about them in the comments as well. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.